Yeah, man, welcome to Canada. Today, February 13, a big snow storm. Today it's a dangerous day. Look at this. Look, indoor, inside, the snow blowing here. Yeah, man, welcome to Montreal. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Wow, welcome to Canada, the big fridge. This is it, and we still have to come out. Look, we still have to jump in the bus and get to work. Wow. It's a massive snowstorm. I never see this car park empty like this hour. So a lot of people not coming to work, and a lot of people have to take their time on the road because the road is, whoa, dangerous. People running. I have to get myself out of this store as well. It's crazy. Whoa. Simon!
Hey!